Hello everyone, how y'all doing? So I'm making a follow up to the previous video because I thought about something where it's like, hey, remember that script that I showed you that allows you to, uh, you know, watch anime through the terminal by selecting all the episodes that are saved on your device locally. But then I thought to myself, I wonder if you can apply a similar logic but for Blu-rays, and the answer is yes. Now, I think I should probably clarify a little bit because basically the way how I'm doing this is through a tool called FZF. And FZF is like it's a command line tool that kind of allows you to like show a selection of things that are it's basically the same tool that's used for Anycly whenever you want to like search through episodes, not just episodes actually, mostly anime, and it sort of like allows you to show like a very like well categorized and well sorted list. And and I thought to myself like there's got to be a way for you to sort of achieve the same level of convenience that you get through Anycly but through other ways of watching anime. And the answer is yes. So I tried to experiment first with the thing about the episodes that are stored locally, but then I thought to myself, what about Blu-rays? Because I made that video where it's like I said that VLC is like the most convenient way to watch anime, but then I thought to myself, I wonder if you could. I wonder if I could try with Blu-ray. And so this is still a shell script, and I haven't yet converted this into a binary. But if I load, oh wait, is that not the name of the file? Oh no, I have to type this. I forgot. I forgot. I'm on our Arch Linux. Uh, Wait, it's still not loading. No such files. Oh no. Okay, I'm just dumb. I okay, I'm just dumb. That was definitely a skill issue. But anyway, let it load. Let it load, let it load, let it load. This one is Butcher the Rock, by the way. Anyway, let it load, let it load. And I'm just gonna tell you right now, for this right here, you definitely do need make MKV, and don't worry. Again, keep an eye on that, anime video, like anime experience on Linux video that I'm gonna make, because I'm gonna explain every single thing here. But yeah, like this should be the first episode. So let it load. Um, you know, this is like decrypting Blu-rays, and so it's gonna take a little bit longer to load the episode compared to like opening a video file on the internet. Not just on the internet, but also locally. But anyway, let this finish playing. And then the cool part is that it does save the previous selection. And so if I want to watch the next episode, I just have to type this and then enter, which is really poggers. Very cool. Very based indeed. And just let it play. Yeah, it's going to take a while to load. All right, there it is. So yeah, this is definitely the second episode. Like, isn't this cool? Like, like watching Blu-rays through the terminal. Like, this is the future, I would say. But yeah, very cool. Like, this is what I love about Linux, is that it really does just push you to like, find more convenient ways of like, going by your day. And in my case, I feel like over time, my experience watching anime is becoming more and more convenient the more I learn about what you can do with certain command line tools. And MPV is still very base. Now, funny thing is, I do want to check something. No, not this one. Resolution. Oh, but this is only because it's not in full screen. Now it's in full screen. But this is just for the monitor. For the actual video, H264 AVC 1920 by 1080. Oh, okay, so this is 1080p footage. Cause something about the Bocchi the Rock Blu-ray that I have is that it comes with two discs, and if I'm not mistaken, the Aurora Rabbit Blu-ray that I've been using to test all of these fucking weird ass tools. That one only comes with one disc, and if it comes with two discs, then it would have been because it did exceed the file size limit of Blu-ray. So a part of me is wondering, like, um, I don't know, maybe. The size of each season is like more or less the same. So I have to wonder. I think Bluejay Rock has 13 episodes. Let me actually check. No, it only has 12. Could it be because of the bonus content, such as, it only shows your episode previews, promos. Yeah, maybe it's that. Maybe it just might be because of the bonus content. But yeah, anyway, very cool. Like, look at this. Oh my god. 33,000 megabits per second bit rate. That's a pretty poggerino bit rate there. That's why the file size is so big. But yeah, anyway, and also because of the fact that this is MPV, let's forward a little bit. You can also use Anime 4K to upscale the footage if you want to experiment with that. So yeah, you can also upscale the footage if you want to. I'm not gonna do that here, but yeah, you can also do that. Anyway, Linux is pretty poggers.